I've just done about 4 sets already and I'm already fatigued, but I'm going to get one last set because that's how I roll. Oh yeah, here comes a little four-wheeler here. I'm in Van Cortlandt Park. I hope I've got 5 to 8 in me already. I hope I do. It's in there somewhere. I gotta dig, you know what I mean? Gotta dig a little deeper. Using a fat grip, which is harder, you know, a lot harder. Actually on this goal post. Using this goal post as a pull-up bar. Using a fat grip forces all the other muscles throughout your arms and shoulders and to be activated more versus the strain on your hand. This is science. That's why I always train with my fat grips. It would appear to the viewer that I'd be stalling, and you would be correct with that assumption. Ooh. Abs tight, abs tight. One more. I'm totally spent. I'm totally